Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your start menu is not responding after a recent update on Windows 11 or Windows 10. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is open up on search menu and then kailangan mo nang i-tag yung settings, and then next step, i-click mo lang itong open. So dito sa settings, and then next step ay kailangan mo nang i-select dito yung personalizations, click mo lang yan. And then dito sa personalization, scroll down and then select lang natin dito yung taskbar, so click mo lang ito. And then dito sa taskbar, and then next, scroll down and then select mo lang yung taskbar behavior, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa taskbar behavior, and then next step ay kailangan lang natin i-check to automatically hide the taskbar. Okay, so check mo tong box. Ayan, so ganun lang po kasimple. And other solution mga kaibigan na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin dito. So dito lang sa start menu, and then type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So pwede kang mag-right click dito and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang itong yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin enter yung command keyword na DISM space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash RestoreHealth. So copy lang natin yan and then paste lang natin dito and then press mo lang yung enter. Okay, so dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na makomplete yung verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo dito na the restore operations completed successfully, and then next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type lang natin yung sfc space slash scannow. So one word yung slash scannow and then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan, kailangan ulit natin na hintayin na makomplete ang verification into 100%. Alright, so makita mo dito na verification 100% complete. So ang next step na ating gagawin ay close lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa start menu and then click mo lang itong restart. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix start menu not responding after latest update in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.